Come and take a look at the operating scenes of these three machines: copying, drilling, sanding, and creating toy wooden wheels in one go. The first one to appear was the copying machine. See how it shapes the perfect shape of each wheel with extremely precise edges. Copying in one goes without additional machining. Next, the drilling machine takes over the baton. It can automatically load and unload the material, and the position of each hole is not bad at all, and it is accurate every time. Then there is the sanders, which is a highlight. Most sanders cannot handle small objects below 100 millimeters, but this one can easily cope with small wheels and sand both sides, making the effect perfect. Even better, you can also adjust the sanding time to get just the right amount of smoothness. From locks to available toy wheels, everything is a breeze with these machines.